Going in. You changed your mind about swimming, Mia?
Do you want to go in the water tomorrow, Checha?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't think about it, eh? Today? I don't know what we're going to do actually. I'll see if we get some first.
Yeah, in the summer it gets crazy. It really all blooms.
Right, I've ordered. Careful, champ.
Sure, helicopters soon. Okay.
Who wants to go in first?
Hold on, Tom, wait your turn. Hold Tom's hands.
Sit down, Maxwell. That's it.
Sit the other side next to Maxwell. You sit in the middle. So don't jump, please. Remember, on boats we have to walk around with soft feet. Soft feet? Yeah, I know. I'm not sure where it came from actually. And Mia, remember, you're not something this side. That's exactly. Okay, so we get going. Well, that's the good.
Bit of a tangly one, that.
Yeah, probably short one.
How can I take a picture? Just press the button again.
Was it doing that? Is it recording still? Or?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, just. You pass it to me. And then I'll take it out with me. I can do the quick videos.
I was going to just do some stills.
Post it up with your phone camera if you're on land.
Get my phone.